Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to upload YouTube video. In the before video I have shared how to open a YouTube account. In this video you will learn how to upload a YouTube video. This is a complete YouTube paid ad campaign, complete playlist, so you can learn from sketch to advanced YouTube paid ad campaign. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I'm a top-rated digital marketing specialist on Fiverr and Upwork. If you need any help, consultation or training, let me contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. So let's go start. First of all, here you can see the create option. Please click this one and upload videos. Please click this option. When you click the upload videos, then you will get select file. Please click the select files and then find your file where you write. I have write a name. Just click this one and open, and this video is uploading now we need to write a title. So I already write a title. Thus we can save our time. So just I copy this title and paste here and paste here. And if you here I have already write a description, just copy this one and paste here. So description and just a minute. To make external links, first complete one-time verification. Oh, we need to verification because we already not verification. Okay, we will do verification, no worry. Then we need to upload a thumbnail. So let's go. First we need to verify. First just click this one, and one time verification is needed. Use video verification, use upload your ID, build a channel history. So we cannot use link now. Just I'm trying to remove this link now. Okay, this one is okay. Then we need to use the upload, gain access. Use this feature. We need to verify our phone number. Just try to verify our phone number. Just I write my number. Okay, just click one, and I'm waiting a verification code. So just I'm checking my phone and to get a verification, and my verification code is 722 and I submit this one. Phone number verification is done. Then we need to upload a thumbnail. Just trying to upload a thumbnail. Then I'm going to next option. No, it's not made for a kid, and just try to next option, next, and I'm trying to publish it. Okay, so finally publish this video. Okay, and you can copy this one. So hopefully you understand how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. This channel is ready for for YouTube paid ad campaign. So we will learn in the next video how to run a YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video.